All right, we're starting here on step 8. We're going to go ahead and install the trim servo wire, the grommets, into the horizontal stabilizer. We need to enlarge the hole here on this rib and this rib to 9.5 millimeters and pass the electrical wire through it and then out this lightning hole right here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I need to go ahead and order some edge grommet for that lightning hole that I'm inserting this wire into. That way it won't rub and chafe a hole into the wire. I'll go ahead and get that ordered from Aircraft Spruce. Step 8 took 40 minutes. I'm into the total empennage, 15 hours, 45 minutes so far. Please follow my build blog at slingtsi.wordpress.com. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. That way you can stay up to date with future videos. Once again, thanks for watching.